Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful lavender wreath. I took some lavender from my garden and a grapevine wreath and some flowers that were growing that I spray painted and some ties here, and we're going to tie the lavender to the wreath, and it is going to look beautiful. And you'll need a pair of scissors and it may be a pair of gloves too. About the beginning of July or mid-July, you're going to want to take your harvest of lavender that you want to cut, because you will have to cut it twice to get 2 crops of lavender per year. So you're going to take one of these zip ties and wrap it around here, around the edge of your wreath, and then you're going to secure your lavender to it and make it look pretty. And you could add a bow if you prefer. Now I put some lavender on the sides here, and I just might add a bow right here, or I'll just do the whole wreath in lavender.